Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I will show you how to withdraw Sweetcoin to Binance 2025. So as of 2025, Sweetcoin or Sweet Economy is not listed on Binance for trading or services. Therefore, you cannot directly withdraw Sweet from your Sweet wallet to Binance. However, you can transfer your Sweet tokens to other exchanges that supports them. Here's how to transfer Sweet from Sweet wallet to another exchange. So open the Sweet wallet app, then navigate to the transfers action. Now initiate a transfer, select the option to send Sweet, enter the recipient's wallet address. Ensure that the receiving wallet address Sweet tokens on the near and EP-141 network. Now confirm and send. Double check the wallet address for accuracy, then confirm the transaction and send the token. Access the receiving changes. So log into the exchange where you sent the Sweet tokens. Verify that the tokens have arrived in your account. Now trade or withdraw. Once the tokens are in your exchange account, you can trade them or for other cryptocurrencies or withdraw them as per the exchange option. Here is important considerations. Network compatibility. Ensure that the receiving exchange supports Sweet token on the near NEP-141 network. Sending tokens to an incompatible address may result in loss of funds. Transaction fees. Be aware of any transaction fees that may apply when transferring tokens between wallets and exchanges. Exchange policies. Different exchanges have varied policies regarding deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Familiarize yourself with those policies to ensure a smooth transaction. So that's pretty much all thing for about how you can actually withdraw Sweetcoin. But unfortunately, Binance doesn't allow Sweetcoin, or they have not listed Sweetcoin on their trading yet. So that's why we can actually exchange Sweetcoin on Binance. So you got this? If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.